Hi guys, today I have TCL 305i and I want to show you how to set mobile data limits on this device. Our first step to do that is from main menu. We must swipe up the screen and go to the settings. In it we press SIM card and mobile network, and there our data usage, where we have our billing size. And there we can set our data mobile limits. First step, we can set day of each month when our data limits starts, our size. It can be first day of each month. We click set, and there we can turn on turn off data warming and after how many gigabytes or megabytes we get warming about we use it. Maybe 10 gigabytes we set. And after that we can set data limit. We can turn on it and confirm by OK. And there we can set our data limit, maybe 20 gigabytes. We click set and we have it. That's all. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.